Hi everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where we practice simple English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us again. We're so happy you're here. Maybe you're at home, on a walk, or on your way to work.
Today's topic is a day with only one word: take.
The word take is small but very powerful. We use it everywhere, in the morning, afternoon, and even before bed.
You can say things like take a shower, take a bus, take a break, or take care. It's one word with many uses.
And by the end of this episode, you'll learn 20 natural phrases with take that people use every day.
So, let's get started. And here's our question for you. How many take phrases can you think of right now? Let's start our day. The morning with take. Morning is full of small actions, and many of them use the word take.
That's true. For example, when I wake up, the first thing I do is take a deep breath. It helps me feel calm and ready to start my day.
Me too. After that, I usually take a shower to wake up completely.
Right. We say, take a shower, or take a bath. It's one of the most common ways to start your morning. For example, I take a shower every morning before breakfast.
Then, many people take a bus or take a train to school or work. For example, I take the bus to school every day.
Yes, and if someone is visiting your house, you can say, please, take a seat. It's a polite way to tell someone to sit down.
That's a nice one. Take a seat. And if someone is in a hurry, you can say, take your time, which means don't rush.
I love that phrase. Take your time. It shows kindness and patience.
You can even use take for moments when you want to relax. For example, take a deep breath before an exam or before you start working. It helps you calm down and focus.
Yes, it's very helpful. I always say that before recording a podcast. Take a deep breath, Ben.
So, in just one morning, we can already use take in many ways. Take a shower, take a bus, take a seat, take your time, and take a deep breath.
Exactly. One word, many meanings. That's why learning these small phrases makes your English sound more natural.
Let's make a quick example story for the morning.
Okay. How about this? I wake up at 7 a.m., take a deep breath, and take a shower. Then, I take a bus to work. My boss says, take a seat, and I start my day slowly, taking my time.
That's perfect. It sounds like a calm and easy morning. Let's review 5 easy phrases with take from this part.
Sure. First one, take a shower. Example, I take a shower every morning before breakfast.
Next, take a bus. I take the bus to school every day.
Third, take your time. Take your time. There's no need to hurry.
Fourth, take a deep breath. Before the test, I took a deep breath.
And fifth, take a seat. Please take a seat while you wait.
Now we want to hear from you.
What do you usually take in the morning? Maybe a bus, a shower, or even a deep breath before your day starts?
Share your answer in the comments. We'd love to know your take morning routine. Welcome to the afternoon part of our day, the time when we study, work, or do something active. And of course, take is still with us.
That's right. The word take can describe so many things we do during the day. For example, when you feel tired, you can say, let's take a break.
I love that phrase. It means to stop for a short time and rest. For example, I take a break after lunch.
Yes, sometimes even a 5-minute break helps your brain and body feel fresh again.
In class, we often say, take notes. That means to write down important information. For example, I take notes in my English class.
Right. Taking notes helps you remember what you learn. And when you travel or spend time with friends, you can take a photo.
Exactly. Take a photo means to capture a picture. For example, Let's take a photo together.
Nowadays, people take hundreds of photos with their phones every week.
Another good one is take care of. It means to help or look after someone or something. For example, I take care of my younger brother.
Or, she takes care of her garden. It's a warm, kind phrase we use often.
Yes, take care of shows love and responsibility, perfect for both people and pets.
And here's one more, take part in. It means to join or be a part of something, like an event or group. For example, I take part in an English club.
That's great. It's good to take part in new things. You learn, meet people, and have fun.
So in the afternoon, you might take notes, take a photo, take care of something, or take part in an activity. All small things that fill our day with learning and life.
Let's make a short story using these phrases.
Sure. After lunch, I take a break and drink some tea. Then, I take notes during my online English class. In the afternoon, I take care of my plants, take a few photos for fun, and take part in a group chat with my friends.
That's a perfect example. Calm, useful, and realistic. Let's review 5 take phrases from this part.
First one, take a break. Example, let's take a break after lunch.
Next, take notes. I take notes in my English class.
Third, take a photo. Let's take a photo together.
Fourth, take care of her grandmother. She takes care of her grandmother.
And fifth, take part in bray. I take part in a local sports club.
Now it's your turn, listeners.
What do you usually take when you study or work? Maybe you take notes, take a break, or take part in something fun?
Share your answer with us in the comments. We'd love to read about your take afternoon. Now it's evening. Time to relax, rest, and enjoy the quiet moments after a long day. And yes, the word take is still with us.
That's right. Even when we relax, we still use take in many natural phrases. For example, one of my favorites is take it easy. It means relax or don't worry.
That's a great one. After a busy day, I like to take it easy by listening to music or reading a book. For example, it's Friday night, let's take it easy.
Another one we often use is take a walk. It means to go outside for a short walk. For example, after dinner, I take a walk with my family.
Yes, taking a walk is good for both your body and your mind. It helps you think clearly and feel calm.
When you do things together, you can also say, take turns. That means everyone shares the same job one by one. For example, we take turns washing the dishes.
I love that one. Take turns is perfect for teamwork. It makes everything fair and friendly.
Sometimes, when something is important, we say take it seriously. For example, you should take your health seriously.
That's right. It means to understand that something is important and needs your attention.
And finally, one of the most common and friendly phrases, take care. We use it when we say goodbye to someone. For example, bye Ben, take care.
It's warm and kind. It means you want the other person to stay safe and happy.
So, in the evening, you might take a walk, take turns doing chores, take it easy, take something seriously, and finally say, take care.
Let's make a short example story for the evening.
Sure. After dinner, I take a walk in the park. When I get home, I take turns cleaning the kitchen with my sister. Later, I watch a movie and take it easy. Before bed, I think about my plans and take them seriously. Then I say, good night, take care to my family.
That sounds peaceful and kind. A perfect way to end the day with take phrases. Let's review today's 5 evening take phrases.
First one, take it easy. Example, it's Sunday, take it easy and relax.
Second, take a walk. Example, I take a walk every evening after dinner.
Third, take turns. Example, let's take turns playing this game.
Fourth, take it seriously. Example, he takes his studies seriously.
And fifth, take care. Example, take care and have a good night.
Now we'd love to hear from you.
Which take phrase do you use most in the evening? Maybe take it easy, take a walk, or take care.
Share your answer in the comments, and remember to take care of yourself too. So far, we've learned how to use take in the morning, afternoon, and evening. But there are also some special expressions with take that make your English sound more natural.
Yes, these are phrases you'll hear in real conversations, movies, or at work. Let's go through a few that are super useful.
The first one is take a look. It means to look quickly at something. For example, hey Ben, take a look at this picture.
Oh yes, that's common. You can use it when you show someone your phone, your work, or even your homework. Can you take a look at my report? Means, please check it for me.
Next, we have take advantage of. It means to use something in a good or smart way. For example, take advantage of your free time to study English.
Exactly. It's a positive expression. But we should be careful. If you say take advantage of someone, it can mean using them unfairly. So it's best to say take advantage of your time or take advantage of a good chance.
Speaking of chances, our next phrase is take a chance. It means to try something new, even if you're not sure about the result. For example, I took a chance and applied for a new job.
That's one of my favorite phrases. It's about being brave and trying. Take a chance. You might surprise yourself.
The next one is take responsibility. It means to accept what you must do or fix a mistake. For example, I take responsibility for my work.
Right, and it's very important in life. You can also say, he took responsibility for the problem and solved it. It's a strong, mature phrase.
And the last one is fun. Take forever. It means something feels very long. For example, the movie took forever.
Or, my computer takes forever to start. It's an exaggeration, but it's something we all say when we wait too long.
So, these special take expressions are great for daily use. You can use them to sound more confident and natural when you speak English.
Let's make a short story using them.
Sure. This morning, I took a look at my schedule and saw some free time. I decided to take advantage of it to study English. Later, I took a chance and joined an online class. I took responsibility for my homework and finished it early. But my internet was slow. It took forever to upload my video.
That's perfect. One word, take, but so many ways to use it.
Let's go over the 5 special take phrases one more time.
First, take a look. Example, take a look at this photo.
Second, take advantage of. Example, take advantage of your weekend to rest.
Third, take a chance. Example, I took a chance and made new friends.
Fourth, take responsibility. Example, she takes responsibility for her mistakes.
And fifth, take forever. Example, this line takes forever.
Now it's your turn, listeners.
What's one new take phrase you want to use today? Maybe take a chance, take a look, or take responsibility.
Write your answer in the comments, and remember, learning English doesn't take forever if you practice a little every day. Wow, we learned a lot today. Who knew one simple word, take, could do so much?
That's true. We use take from morning to night, from take a shower to take care.
Let's do a quick review.
In the morning, we said take a shower, take a bus, and take a deep breath.
In the afternoon, we learned take a break, take notes, and take care of something or someone.
In the evening, we talked about relaxing, take it easy, take a walk, and take turns.
And finally, some special expressions, take a look, take a chance, and take forever.
See, one small word helps you build so many real English sentences.
You can use these phrases every day when you study, work, or talk with friends.
And remember, learning English doesn't need to be hard. Just take it one step at a time.
That's a great reminder.
So, keep practicing, stay confident, and keep taking small steps forward every day.
And that's all for today's episode of Everyday English Talk.
We hope you enjoyed learning how one simple word, take, can be used in so many real English phrases.
Remember, you can download our free PDF transcript for this episode. It includes all 20 take phrases, examples, and a short practice exercise.
Try using at least 3 of these phrases today. Maybe take a walk, take a break, or take care of yourself.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite take phrase from this episode?
Next time, we'll talk about how to stay happy, positive thinking, and daily gratitude.
Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and take it easy. Bye for now.